Okay, scholars, today we're doing finding the rate of change from a graph and from 2 points. Now, last class you guys are finding the slope. Guess what? The rate of change is your slope. The definition of rate of change, it's also going to be located on your slide, but you want to know that the rate of change is a comparison of the change in the dependent quantity, often represented by y or f of x, to the change in the independent quantity, often represented by x. So you guessed it, it's the change of y over the change of x, which is the same thing as the slope. But today I thought it'd be a great time for you guys to start using the Desmos calculator. So I'm going to show you how to do that from there. First thing we're going to do is find the rate of change with these points 1, 2, and 5, -1. So at Google, you'll type in desmos.com. We'll be pausing the video throughout so that no one feels like they're being lost. When we get to Desmos, the first thing you want to do is click on this plus sign and go to table. We have points, so we want to plug those points in 1 and 2. So 1 and 2. And then the other set of points, you want to plug those in as well, which is 5 and -1. So 5 and -1. I'll wait. You go ahead and get that part done. Okay, so now the second part. You want to start another line by just clicking underneath the first one. And you're going to type in Y. And you want to type in the tilde. The tilde is to your left. It's right above the tab button. You're going to hold shift and that button with the tilde. Oh, wait. You want to say, yeah, wait. You want to say Y1 tilde MX1 plus, and again, it's very important. Everything must be in lowercase or it will not read it. And so once you have this far, you notice that your original graph that you had were your points. Now a line has been drawn through your points. But what you notice here is that the M, which is your slope, is in decimal. We like to keep things as fractions. So you'll click on the line below it, type in -0.7500, and right next to that is like you see it look like a fraction. You click on the fraction and it'll tell you that your slope then is -3/4. So when I come back here, I can just type in M equals -3/4. Now for the graph, you're doing the same thing. You have to go by points. So you will find 2 points on the graph. So I'll use this first point here. It's 0, well, 0, 1, 2, 3. So I know it's the y-intercept. So it's 3, 0. So in decimals, you can clear it by refreshing or doing the reload. But I'm just going to replace the points and say my x was 0 and my y was 3. And then my next set of points, I'll go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I know it's 5, 1 is 5, -1. So I already have 5 and -1. Oh, okay, great. I already had it in there. You notice that our slope changed slightly to 8/10. So when I put in 8, the fraction is 4/5. So here I'll say that my slope is -8/5. Yeah, I don't remember. -4/5. For the rest of your practice, that's what you'll be doing is doing creating the graphs and creating I'm sorry, getting the rate of change from slopes, getting the slopes from graphs and from points.